This is a little demonstration kit the company that manufacture the materials sent us, and it's a little battery operated kit, runs on a couple of AA batteries. So it shows you how economic these things are. If they can run from batteries, they'll run quite a long time on low consumption. Anyway, this is just a little handheld kit. I think it's using pulse width modulation to create a sort of modified sine wave, because this runs on AC. But this little kit, it's just a sort of handheld demo to show you the product. Don't know if you can hear that, but it's squealing away there, so you can hear the the frequency. I can hear something obviously oscillating. But the kit shows you switching on and off, and it shows you it in high speed mode. So the product's very reactive. It's quite good, in terms of how fast it reacts to power. Quite impressed. Thanks for watching.